And I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my... with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Swapping our cups, and after a while we're swapping a glance. And I can't think nothing better than started a year with a drop of romance. 'Cause I came to this place looking for a familiar face, and that's when I met you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the first of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, with a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Is what matters me, the way you came toward me, dragging your feet, and I just smiled at you. And now if it's a planet, must be awesome. But I don't really need to know, 'cause this is now your home. You fell from the sky, melt in my mind like chocolate ice cream. Your lips have the taste of sweet lemonade and sparkling soda streams. And if one day a guy from outer space demands that you go back to easy to erase, I'm gonna tell him to phone home and announce that we are in love. Your still blue eyes can be cool as ice and hot like lava lamps. But now I realize without the lows and highs, my life